Are you struggling to find your niche on YouTube? Finding the sweet spot of the perfect niche has never been easier with the Notion Niche Finder system that I've developed. And you can download it today and find your perfect niche in less than 5 minutes. Let me show you how. The most important thing here is to pick a niche and start. Too many people get stuck here and never get started actually building their YouTube channel. Once you have momentum, it's a lot easier to steer a moving ship. Choosing your niche is a journey, not a destination. It's an ever-evolving animal. First, let's demystify what a niche is. It's essentially a specific segment of the market, a unique space that you can own. Think of it like being a big fish in a small pond, rather than a tiny fish in a vast ocean. In a saturated market like YouTube, standing out becomes a Herculean task. A niche offers a targeted focus, allowing you to cater to specific audiences' unique needs, fostering deeper connections. A well-defined niche also streamlines the effort you need to put in to grow your audience. While the allure of a broad YouTube channel is tempting, by positioning yourself as the go-to expert in a very specific domain, a YouTuber not only enhances visibility, but also sets the foundation for long-term sustainable success. Start with you. What are you passionate about? What can you talk about for hours? What problems have you solved already in your life? Let's start here. We'll go into detail about this in a moment. But for now, think about 3 problems, big or small, that you've already solved. For me, it was quitting my job, starting an online business, and growing an audience on YouTube. Now remember, your niche should resonate with your interests. It's tough to maintain a channel that you're not passionate about. Building a niche around you is the strongest unique selling proposition that you could come up with. Why? Because no one is as good at being you as you. Everyone has a unique blend of experiences, skills, and perspectives. When you tap into this uniqueness, you inherently stand out from your competition. Your niche becomes a reflection of the individual journey and perspective. Personal storytelling. Narratives are powerful marketing tools. When your niche is intertwined with your personal story, it provides compelling narratives that can captivate and engage your audience. People remember stories far more than they remember dry facts or statistics. In essence, the concept of you are your niche is an invitation to delve deeper into one's passions, experiences, and strengths, and to weave these elements into a powerful, unique, and authentic YouTube brand. It's about recognizing that in a world filled with noise, your unique voice and perspective can be your most valuable asset. Most importantly, be you. Authenticity resonates with audiences. Your unique voice, style, and perspective will differentiate you in any niche. Let's get into the good stuff. Steps to find your niche. First, list all of your interests. Here's my example. Business, YouTube, making money, self-development, self-improvement. If you need ideas, think of the big 4 niches: health, wealth, relationships, and happiness. If you get really stuck, go to your YouTube watch history. This will give you an idea of the topics that you're interested in. Next, pick your top 3 interests and list out subtopics. Here's our example. YouTube, audience growth, video creation, script writing. Online business. Now document your experiences. Write down all the problems that you've solved under these topics. Here's an example. Built an online business, grown a YouTube channel to 18,000 subscribers, sold digital products, built self-discipline and self-reliance, learned how to communicate confidently on camera. Then we can get into our content ideas. Create content ideas under these topics, telling stories of how you solved your problems. Some examples: how I got my first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, how I made 100 videos in 100 days. Any story you could tell that people could learn from and that they would be interested in. These are your new video ideas. Now you have a niche and a whole lot of video ideas specific to your niche. If you have any questions about your niche, You can ask me in the comments down below. Finding the perfect niche on YouTube is a blend of passion, research, and authenticity. So charge forth and carve out your space in the YouTube universe. And don't forget, every successful YouTuber you look up to wasn't great when they started, but they had to start to be great. So don't get disheartened and keep creating your magic. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time for you to start playing the great YouTube game. To find out more, watch this video here.